Today we're showing you how to apply DIYDAY U-shaped lashes. Welcome our model of the day. Let's get started. First, we'll use Muse to gently cleanse the eye area, removing any oils or makeup residue from the lashed roots. Next, rinse with saline solution to clean the eyes and under eye pads. Use tape to lift the eyelids for better visibility. Take out tweezers number 6 and number 3. Here it is, our new launch U-shaped lash. For this look, we're using C-curl lashes in lengths from 9 to 12 millimeters, tailored to her eye shape. We're using 0.5 second glue. Make sure to shake it well. Let's begin the lash application. Look at these gorgeous lashes. Start by mapping the lash line using the 12 millimeters lashes. Place each lash 0.5-1 mm away from the natural lash root at a 15 angle, following the natural growth direction, then filled in with alternating 9 to 11 millimeters lengths. Check that lashes are neat, no crisscrossing, clumping, or drooping, and with consistent curling. Use a lash brush to gently comb through and separate the lashes. Looking good. Let's check out the before and after. The difference is incredible. Curious to see the full result? Here it is. Absolutely stunning. Our U-shaped lashes give your eyes more dimension, highlight your features, and look naturally striking.